For this example, I'm going to use Cuisenaire rods to represent both mixed numbers. The orange rods will represent the wholes, and the white rods will represent the 10th size pieces. So we're going to show our first mixed number, 2 wholes, and 3 10th size pieces, or 3/10. The white rods are 10th size pieces in this scenario because it takes 10 of them to equal 1 whole. Next, we're going to join that together with or add on our second mixed number, 3 wholes and 5 10th size pieces, or 5/10. Starting with the whole numbers, when it comes to adding mixed numbers, you can first join all of the whole numbers together. 2 plus 3 equals 5. There are 5 wholes in all. Now, let's combine the 3/10 with the 5/10. 3 10th size pieces plus 5 10th size pieces equals 8 10th size pieces, or 8/10. Last, let's join the 5 wholes together with the 8/10. 5 wholes plus 8/10 equals 5 and 8/10.